Muli, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. 78 taon na po ang nakalipas mula ng nilagdaan ng Commonwealth Act No. 1 o ang National Defense Act of 1935 na nagpunsod sa pagtatatag ng sandatahang lakas sa Pilipinas. Bahagi ito ng pagsusulong na kakayahan nating ipagtanggol ang sarili at paghahanda para sa ating kasarinlan. Ito po ang batayang prinsipyong isinabuhay ng ating mga ninuno sa pakikipaglaban nila sa bataan na walang atubiling nilang ipinagtanggol ang ating kalayaan mula sa mga mananakop. Pinagtibay nito ang tungkulin ng mga Pilipino sa bawat henerasyon. Ang ipinagkaloob sa ating kalayaan ay marapat na pangalagaan at ipaglaban upang maipamana sa susunod na sana.
My fellow citizens, there is one thought I want you always to bear in mind, and that is that you are Filipinos, that the Philippines are your country and the only country God has given you, that you must keep it for yourself, for your children, and for your children's children until the world is no more. You must live for it and die for it if necessary. Your country is a great country. It has a great past and a great future. The Philippines of yesterday are consecrated by the sacrifices of life and treasure of your patriots, martyrs and soldiers. The Philippines of today are honored by the wholehearted devotion to its cause of unselfish and courageous statesmen. The Philippines of tomorrow will be the country of plenty, of happiness and of freedom. A Philippine with her head raised in the midst of the West Pacific, mistress of her own destiny, holding in her hand the torch of freedom and democracy. A republic of virtuous and righteous men and women, all working together for a better world than the one we have at present.
115 years ago, our nation gained its independence, and with it, the sacred responsibility of protecting and fulfilling the promise of liberty. Today, as one nation, we reaffirm this commitment. Just as our heroes and martyrs paid the ultimate price for our freedom, as Filipinos, each and everyone is asked to do his part in building an even more progressive nation. Whether one is in the highest ranks of government, or an employee in a local company, or an OFW working on distant shores. As we focus our efforts on lifting our nation to greater heights, let us remember that it is by being productive and responsible citizens, by performing our tasks to the best of our abilities, and by giving to our fellow men their due, that we contribute to making our society truly more just and more equitable. On this day, we also renew our collective pledge to foster an international environment of positive engagement. Your Excellencies, as you work to strengthen cooperation and promote dialogue, you will always find partners in the Filipino people and their government. It is my hope that as my administration strives for more meaningful and lasting reform in our country, you will continue working with us in realizing the full potential of the Filipino people and in finding solutions to the challenges that we collectively face. On this note, Your Excellencies, fellow workers of government, ladies and gentlemen, I ask you to join me in a toast. First, to the continued partnership of our nations, may we always endeavor to promote peace, amity, and unity for the advancement of humankind. To my fellow workers in government, may you remain faithful to serving our people and our republic. To our overseas Filipino workers, for their dedication and sacrifice, may their hard work redound and further contribute to a Philippines that they can come home to with pride and confidence. And to the future and continued success of the Filipino people, may the examples of our heroes be our guide as we tread on the straight path to equitable progress.
Alamat na kailangan makilala ng buong mundo. Isang pupugay siya yung bida, kaya lahat sila paon. Kasi sigaw, kahihiyaw, selebrasyon, buong mundo magtataka, kakaibang okasyon. Itaas ang kamay, sumigaw ng hoy. Ito ang araw mo, bayaning Pinoy. Sa mga bida ng tuwera, nagpagkita ng husay dito sa liga ng buhay. Mga kampiyon, mga dakilan, hindi sumuko din ang paalila. Sa inspirasyon, karagdagang lakas, salamat dumaan kayo sa tamang landas. Kami sa inyo ay saludo, saludo. Walang balang sumuko, walang planong gumuho. Tagumpay lang walang iba, binigay niya buong puso. Hinarap lahat ng tuso, pati mga abuso. Nanatiling tapat sa pangarap hanggang naging uso. Ang buwan positibo, agresibo mismo. Kaya pinarangalan siyang bayaning Pilipino. Taas loob kahit pangodi na bigo, di nalito, di huminto. Inabot niya ang ginto. Ngayon tahimik na lahat ng kritiko. Bukang bibig na rin nila ang mga hirit mo. Hanggang nag-trending ang daming likes, di na makalimutan. Front page, headlines hanggang sa kanto, laman ang kwentuhan.